In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create trial account in QuickBooks Tagalog. By the end, you'll have a working QuickBooks Online trial and a clean starting point for your books. We'll walk through visiting the site, creating your Intuit account, choosing the right plan, entering your business details, and completing the initial setup. Keep your basic business information handy so you can move smoothly through each screen. First, head to the official QuickBooks Online website. On the homepage, look for the option to start free trial, or if you prefer, you can choose buy now if you're already set on a plan. For most people who are just exploring, the free trial is the best way to get familiar with the features. After you click, the site will prompt you to sign in or create an Intuit account. If you already have one from another Intuit product, you can use that same login. Next, enter your details to create your account. Provide the email address you actively use, set a strong password, and add a phone number if it's requested for verification and security. Double check for typos so you receive any confirmation codes without delay. When everything looks correct, click Create Account and wait for the confirmation step to complete. Now, choose the plan that fits your business needs. Simple Start covers the fundamentals, like income and expense tracking. Essentials adds tools for bills and time tracking, plus includes inventory and project tracking. And Advanced is best for larger, more complex operations. If you're new and just testing, Simple Start is usually the easiest, and you can always upgrade later as your needs grow. Then enter your business information so QuickBooks can tailor your setup. Type in your business name, select your industry, and choose your business type, such as sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation. If tax details apply to your business, add them here. Don't worry, most of this can be updated later if something changes. When you're ready, click Continue to proceed. Finally, complete the initial setup guided by QuickBooks. You'll see prompts to connect a bank account, add your first customer or vendor, and set up your chart of accounts. These steps help automate data flow and keep your records organized. If you prefer to explore first, you can skip any of these and return to them later from the dashboard. That's it, your trial is active. Explore the menus, review your settings, and make a few test entries to get comfortable. Save your changes as you go, and remember to sign out if you're on a shared device.